हाँ चलो.
Good morning, children. I am Mrs. K. Ghosh and I am taking English literature for class 12th. I am taking today's short story B. Wordsworth by V.S. Naipaul. Let us study about the poet. Sir Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul was born on 17th August 1932. He is a Trinidadian Nobel Prize winning British writer of Indian origin. He is known for his comic early novels set in Trinidad and Tobago, his bleaker novels of the wider world, and his autobiographical character of life and travels. He has published more than 30 books, both of fiction and non-fictions, over some 50 years. His early work, Meagle Street, please remember this, Meagle Street, written and published in 1955, is a linked series of character sketches, was appreciated from a combination of sarcasm and affection. Meagle Street is a semi-autobiographical novel that focuses on the characters living on Meagle Street, a poor neighborhood set in wartime Port of Spain, Trinidad. Now, this is about the story. The story is narrated by a precarious and keenly observant boy who recounts the myriad lives of quirky inhabitants of his neighborhood in a witty yet innocent way. Undertones of dark humor evokes a mood of sadness because of the tragic nature of the lives of most characters. B. Wordsworth is a story of one of these characters. B. Wordsworth has been taken from his novel Meagle Street. It is a story of a failed poet named B. Wordsworth, B for black, and his friend, a boy whom he calls Sonny. He calls him so out of love and affection. B. Wordsworth also comes to watch bees in the boy's house, befriends the boy, and says that he is a poet like him. Both of them begin to spend a lot of time together. Once the poet takes the boy to his house with a yard full of trees. They ate mangoes there. The poet tells the boy about his own love story, obliquely, and a great poem he is working at. While dying, however, he denies the truth of both, perhaps in fear that the boy might follow him and suffer. Some may say that he was a tramp. His death comes as a shock to the boy. A year later, when he enters the street where the poet's house was, the house is nowhere to be seen. Through this story, the writer wants to convey that poetry has no value in the contemporary world. Poetry is not something that can provide you sustenance. It is a bad profession. The writer also conveys the fact that the world of nature is fast depleting in urban areas. Understanding the story. A strange man's visit to the boy's Sonny's house. Man calls himself a poet. Friendship between the poet and the boy. The boy being taken by the poet to his house. They eat mangoes. A love story told by the poet. The poet seems to grow older. Before his death, tells the boy that whatever he has told him about poetry or love story is not true. Boy is shocked to see him helpless, finds the poet's house nowhere after a year. Theme of the story. It has got two themes: poetry as profession, and the second one, the demise of an old era. Poetry as a profession. Through B. Wordsworth's fate, the writer underlines the idea that poetry does not hold much respect in the eyes of the common man. It is a bad profession. Poems are often not syllable. That is why when the boy in the story asks his mother if she would like to buy a poetry for 4 cents, her sharp response is, "Tell that blasted man," the poet here, "to haul his tail away from my yard." In such circumstances, the poet can do little to survive. The poet B. Wordsworth sings calypsonians in the calypso season to make some money through that, though it is not sufficient. He is working on an ambitious poem. He tells about it to the boy. Later on his deathbed, he denies that he has anything to do with poetry. He feels that he is doing so in order to wean the boy from poetry business, as he does not want him to suffer like him. He has discovered in the boy the potential to be a poet. The second theme, the demise of an old era. The story implicitly states that the poet's good values such as love, devotion, sincerity, sentimentality, sensitivity have vanished in the new world. The poet B. Wordsworth and the boy Sonny may or may not be poets, but they are certainly endowed with poetic temperament. Both of them are hypersensitive and sentimental. The poet in particular spends a lot of time in watching unusual things like bees, ants, scorpions, centipedes, and stars in the sky. The boy Sonny, with the same temperament, begins to imitate him. The boy tells him his own love story. The poet tells him his own love story. Later he calls the story a lie. The death of the poet comes as a big shock to the boy. The boy feels that the poet's death is the death of his own poetic world. A year later, he finds that the house of the poet is nowhere and that a new big 2-storied building has taken its place. Brick and cement in place of fruit trees and wild green indicates the demise of an era in which people love nature and uphold all human values, an era with which the famous poet William Wordsworth is associated. It is to remind you, Sir William Wordsworth was a nature poet. More about the story. The story is set in Trinidad in contemporary times. The setting is important as it explains why characters behave in particular manner and how they are influenced by their culture, history, and politics. In Trinidad, the black natives live with the white who once ruled them. Most of the black natives are illiterate, uncouth, and rough. They speak broken English. B. Wordsworth, that is, Black Wordsworth, who is tidily dressed and who speaks flawless English, arouses suspicion and anxiety in the mind of the boy's mother. The whole atmosphere is unpoetic. Nobody likes the persons like B. Wordsworth who spends a lot of time in watching objects of nature and other wasteful pursuits. No wonder the poet's humble house is replaced by a two-storied building and the greenery is replaced by brick and cement. The fast pace of development in urban areas in Trinidad is obliquely referred to as the threat to the old world of peace and contentment. Now, please note, study in detail the following with the help of your workbook. First is the characters in the story. You have to write about B. Wordsworth, the unknown poet, the boy Sonny, and the third character is the boy's mother. Please write the notes. If you have any difficulty, you may ask me later. Now, second is write the summary. Please try to do this. Write the summary of the story with the help of the given subheadings. I am reading out some subheadings. Keep in mind the headings and write the story. B. Wordsworth visit to the boy's house. The boy's visit to the poet's house. The boy's outing with the poet. A tragic love story. The poet's ambitious project. Worsening condition of the poet. Death of the poet. Change in scenic beauty of the poet's house. Please note, I have mentioned the development of summary writing in points, but you will write in different paragraphs. Do not mention the points as numbers. Only write the subheadings when you change a paragraph. Assignment. Long answer question. Do this question in your register. Who was B. Wordsworth? What made him to befriend the boy? How did their friendship grow and get snapped? What is their friendship appeal to you the most and why? Thank you. Have a nice day.